terminal called warp, and I start the Claude. It supports voice input. Show me the stats for my LinkedIn. And in the end, it will just grab the information and it will generate a table like this, right? So you can see some of my recent LinkedIn posts get quite good impression. This is Jove. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to automate your browser using Claude. You don't really need any subscription from OpenAI or Anthropic. The regular browser, no matter it's Chrome or Arc, is just good enough for you to automate everything. I'm using the terminal called warp, and I start the Claude. And one nice thing that is it supports voice input. So I will just click it. Show me the stats for my LinkedIn. Right, then it will use a skill. It's going to run some script defined in the skill, and you can see in the background my browser, which is Arc, is going to be refreshed, and it will scroll down to see all the posts, including their impression, the comments, the repost, because LinkedIn have certain lazy loading, right? So this skill just go over the page as just a normal user, so it's not going to trigger any anti-bot punishment. And in the end, it will just grab the information and it will generate a table like this, right? So you can see some of my recent LinkedIn posts get quite good impression, and thank you for the support. But this is just to give you a quick intro about how you can automate almost everything. Ideally, LinkedIn can provide some REST API or read-only data feed for this. Yeah, that's it. And also I make this skill available in my public repo. Just go to jove.com/SAK, meaning this Swiss's Army knife. It's almost all in one. You can follow the instruction how to install the skill, and feel free to fork or ping me on LinkedIn or create issues. Enjoy the automation. Thank you.